going to work with Angular. So we have this open source project which makes a JSON editor on Angular, React, and such. And actually, that is this React wrapper. Mhm. Oh, that's for the Gantt one actually. So this project you can build up like Gantt chart, and we added the Japanese language there. Mm, for this guy, we have the JSCant here. We can go to the latest JSCant version, so I think is this number. So first of all, let's go to that folder, which is the React JSCant folder. I think you can just, oh, there's no more. Okay, so you can just install. Change this to the latest. Here as well on the example, yeah, nothing about that JSCant release, but I know that this release has the new language. We can bump this release as well. I think that's pretty much it. Just upgrade the JSCant improved to the newest, so you can give him an answer here as well. Okay, so here we have the Japanese. I'm under the newest JSCant. We have Japanese language. Just upgraded this module to use the latest. It can take a while to install here. Let's see what else we have for. We have this demo build. Okay. They deployed the. There's a demo page. Let's see. I don't even remember. Yeah, I don't see any. Is that GitHub pages here, I guess? Or we used to have pages. GitHub page example build. On master. Yeah. Does it work? I don't remember to test that out. Maybe that go to docs. Let's see. Why not? Custom domain. Okay. How can I? Huh. he used to he used to give me like a link to the page. Oh yeah, this one I guess, huh? Hmm, nah, should be the. You might look to the wrong. No, yeah, it should be this one, right? Like, yeah. I don't know. Let's just. I cannot even change that, right? Anyway, no, it's not here. Yeah, I don't have a theme at all, do I? Oh, there's a demo package JSON. Right. I could make a stack blitz or a live link for this. Uh, let's see if I go here. Right, there's some new stuff. How new project? I want to React. Right, so I can maybe take this example. So I need this module. I can take, so where's the, right, they have this app. This is a class. Can I just crop that out? Oh, that's great. How can I rename it? Right, so you be React.js Camp. Hopefully that will work. Oh, that did. Awesome. It was easier than I thought. Um, maybe we could, so there is a bunch of data. Oh, here's the HTML. Okay, awesome. All right, so just to test that out, we can have a select. And this select will have a label with the language. And that select will have an option with English. And let's put Japanese as that was asked. You can incorporate these changes in your internal demo, but anyway. Right, so we have this guy here. We can use a known change. Should be, so editor options, custom language, check it out. This was commented out. Let's see if I just, this I think is just custom messages they want to do it, but set language. Great. So What happens if I just do this? How does I'm kind of rusty on React? Um, right, so should be we have a state here for the value, and this change always take this new event. Um, so maybe we can do like change language which receives an event, and this will be basically event target value. And then we can call that. If I'm changing the wrong place, we can call from there, right? Why not? So the change object will have the change language. This will call the change language here, right? So this dot change language. If I change to Japanese, all right. I have to find this just to. Right, this change. React class. Yeah, we're not using classes anymore for React, right? Maybe we can refactor that to not be a class style, huh? And yeah, I know if we just use that as an arrow, that might work. So let's look at the change again, the same. Right. So set options now, it's under set language. You know what? Let's always use that things that editor. He said that editor is undefined, but editor actually is created. Where's the editor created? Where does it set the editor here? Yeah, I guess the how I designed that again. So how do we get the editor again? Because we did like have this, which this component has the editor, component mount, component update, make a chart, render and search. Test, okay. So here to get the editor, So what's wrong now? Not find Python 2. Really? All right, let's try to install some. So he created the Gantt chart, yada yada yada, and that would be the editor. So maybe we can have props public editor, this editor. So maybe in this moment we can call right. So we can do like if this dot props dot how can you call like get editor, set editor, it's like on create. If we have this method there, we can call on create passing the editor, right? That can be a solution. So here on the app, we could have something to grab that, like on create, create will be like editor is dot editor equal editor. Here you go. Oh, this is there. So now we can try again. Right, so here we cannot test that language. Because I need to set the option. But I think if I just change the editor options, if that is inside a state, yeah. What if we change that to be not a class type anymore, huh? Yeah. We have the use state, right? Right, so yeah, there's a lot of these. Yeah, I can change that to a function later. That just me remember how I do state on classes. I just forgot how we make a state in the class. Oh, nice. So the editor option actually will be under a state, and the editor options is an object. Okay. Then we have a set state, I guess, right? Yeah, I guess so. So these would be this.set state, and can definitely use that here. Guess that's how it works. So that's the options there. Awesome. Cool. I'm doing the thing wrong again. So let's try here. These will be here, and we will have this. Have a state, have a set state. Awesome. So now we can here, for now we can take that out, and we can do this.set state, where will be the edit options with all the current edit options plus these languages. Right. And we can use the same idea for the lang. Yeah, we might work without the editor. This is here, this is there, this is here, this is there. Dun, dun, dun. Right, so let's see what's going on. Here on the render, we can do a console log for this.state. Nope. Right, we can console log this. It's empty. It's kind of weird already. I expect to have something there. Oh, okay. So we are passing different things here. The lang. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, this is kind still in progress. We don't have editor for now. Huh, that's funny though. I was waiting that to change. Okay, so at least for now we have this, so we can basically update this project on the README. All right. All right. That's still installing a lot. Okay. So maybe we can have this full example working and synchronize the one that I have here, the one that I have as an example here. Funny though, because I was expecting that to change the language. Just to be sure, we have, so let's go back to this main project, go here, and then there is live example. I guess it's working. Another one that I have to fix maybe. Oh yeah, that's better. All right, so here, if I change the language to JA, Japanese, huh? All right, maybe that could be it. JA. On this demo, so we are changing the lang. So now I'm confused if there is a JavaScript link, yeah, the links, link, the link, yeah. Right, so we are passing a VLAN here as an options and still not working. So maybe we need this guy running locally to test that out. But we were too close. So maybe we can investigate like here. These props. Oh goodness. Check that out. That's a huge here. Wow. Yeah, this node is too let me try to install 16. Oh really? Um, okay. 14. Okay. Let's try 16. Yeah. So I've seen this error. These props does not exist here. This is something we could remove from a class style. Okay, so the props options It's empty. It goes here. You take the props options, which should be the same as we see here. Yeah, this can be a problem. So, because we take the latest first, you're never going to update. So maybe here we could make something like this, I guess. So now it's empty. You're gonna always go to here. When we update, we want to take, so check it out. If we change here, there's a bunch of errors here, but where's the VLang? This VLang, there's no this VLang. So let's just use Japanese as a start. I can see a bunch of problems here. Let's just comment that out for now. Here as well. Okay. I see this empty, so we can try maybe to add this not here as the initial state. That's not. We have all these event changes. Right, let's take just for now. So we can test that out. Not too messy. Yeah, he should be coming here and setting the state. Yeah, they're empty object. All right. Let's make this a function. So we don't have constructor anymore. We have props here. We have just a bunch of things here. There's no these anymore. It's better right this way. Right. If no header, this then will be directly the editor options. Add more. Now it'll be a bunch of const. Bunch of arrow functions. Here a bunch of equals. have a render anymore. Should be this here. It's just an object. Oh, it's just an array actually. These can be just a global data right here. Right, it's huge data. I want to console log the options. Here be just the options. Here be the data. Change language doesn't need these. Doesn't need the bind. Isn't there the options up there? So yeah. Yeah, now it's a different way to deal with states. But add the options here. So use state React. Let's see again how we use that. Okay, use state from React. Here. Import React. Okay, use state. The outset count. So you have set enter options. Enter options. Which again I think is backwards, right? Yeah. So enter options first, then the setter, and finally the use state with that data, right? Yeah. This full object. There. So we can just remove these. Okay. So, and how we change that? We need to call the set editor option. So if we use this method as a state changer, current set options, all right. Set custom language, I guess would be the same case, so we can just pass it over. Right. These would be just data. I don't have a bunch of these anymore. These might be wrong, but oh yeah. So export default default app as an function. bind. Yeah. Edit value, where is this again? Maybe we need to declare the method first. Here we go. 132. Oops. Okay, now we have, right, the language there. Let's complain here. Maybe I can add languages there. Yeah, cannot be empty. I think that's too complicated for now. Let's just remove these for a sec. Right, so why the... So I don't need to bind those, but anyway. Right, Japanese, what else we have? Like Spanish. Oh, yeah, right, Spanish is working. So why Japanese not? So you know what? I think okay. So here, what I have. Oh my goodness, a lot of bugs again. What? Says yeah. Says give a lot of issues. Do I have any issue problem? Usually have like some ideas here to help out. Does we have yarn here? We have right yarn install. Let's see, why not? Right, so we need to install the latest JSCan improved, which is this. So let's see what happens if right, a test that we can do. So let's put more languages here. So right, is let's put the Spanish. If I change language, does it change? Oh, can I force 288? Yeah, I think it's 288 the latest. Huh. So maybe we have to fix the language for this one. Let's see what languages we have. Yeah, we have a Japanese. And it's exported as Japanese. And in the demo, Yeah, the demo, the Japanese works. So Chinese, then we have the Arabic, then we have Japanese. Oh, yeah, just up there, right? So, right, we should see those labels in Japanese. That's really odd. Mhm, mhm. Yeah, strange. So go back to this React here and can people um, okay, so if I try people, really um right here. Yada yada yada. Oh, this is not, this is wrong. So if we go to this config, copy and go from here. Ha, let's cut that out. So all right, let's update the project. Bring up a bunch of branches. Okay. So this readme. So again, I don't know why this is not. Can just wait these and close and start again, but I should see that new project here. Yeah. So if I do git status, I can see like a bunch of files that have been changed, but I don't see like the details for each. What happens if I just open a new window, open recent? It will be the same. All right. So new window, open the folder. Let's see what we have here. So we're talking about the React JS again. Here you go. Here, manage and save, right? Oh, nice. Oh, it's appeared there. All right. Okay, so I want to bring that over with the new link. This is useful. Package JSON with the release. I haven't had the chance to publish that because I need this to pass, but I think it's safe to comment that out. And these we can change better later. This seems, but we have success as well. This seems fine. So let's see if we can connect that ticket or that change to ticket. Just example. All right. Node says, yeah. Do I need node says at all? Like, do I need that? Let's see. Yeah, that's an example now. Fair enough. Bunch of chains for React scripts to be upgraded. Oh, this passed. Which test? Yeah. We can try to upgrade and see what happens if that's still working. I think it's just that change. Why not? So the React scripts. Oh yeah, just before we go, so we can commit with number 7. So these latest changes, you can just point out to the ticket 7. And when you push, we can try to use the terminal for that. Let's see. You know what? Logs, objects, back. Change owner. It did push, I guess. So if we go here, 1 minute ago. All right. Is this? Oh, there's some build stuff here. Report build status. All right. Okay, let's see if that's still linking all the stuff. Yeah, that can take a long time. All right, so we have yeah. There's more tickets to look over, but I think we closed one. We are good for today. We almost closed that one. Indeed, the Japanese not working. Um, really weird. I think the new languages are not there. Like, we added the what other one was new? I think the like Polish one. Oh, you know what? You can basically put all these options here, and better, I guess. Okay, so Chinese, Arabic don't have. Yeah, I think the new languages that are missing there. So it's not just for Japanese. Seems to be related to the React.js can't they need to upgrade with the latest. Um, Maybe we can use an asterisk here. So NJS can improved will be supported, which makes sense. So we can just upgrade JSCan and the wrapper will be the same. Yeah, I think we can go for that solution though. Um, so how do we do a package again? So deploy, pre-deploy, prepare. Yeah, we need to build to publish. And to build, for instance, oh, roll up is there. Yep, but deploying without the demo working locally is too bad. Um, I have these styles with SAS. Maybe we can change that back to not be SAS. Um, yeah, I guess in this case, if you just oh yeah, but anyway, I think we can do this Japanese tomorrow. So one was fixed, right? The example is there now. Uh, this build, yeah, this could be in docs as well. Uh, So it's one less. We can add this there. Ah, yeah, it's still installing, right? People. Status. I don't know. I cannot add here. State changes. Yeah, kind of weird. So again, let's point a change to a ticket. So this is now that and do git push. And as soon as you connect that commit with the issue ID, then we connect the change here, right? So the same that we had on the issue 7. Now that other commit is connected. All right, I think that was 2 tickets for today. Awesome. Tomorrow we can do more. See you later.